More than 29 million Americans have diabetes, and every year nearly 1.5 million more Americans are told they are diabetic.
In Health Watch, Shelley Botat tells us why it is important for those with diabetes to know how to manage their disease.
A diabetes diagnosis can be scary. You now have a disease that requires you to watch what types of food you eat and to exercise to stay healthy. For many, that means a total lifestyle change, which is where diabetes education classes can help.
Susie Roberts was surprised by a phone call from her doctor last year.
She called me and told me that my blood sugars were very high and that I did have diabetes.
Susie did not know a lot about the disease.
Okay, you have diabetes, so stay away from sugar. I was very uneducated.
So she turned to Aurora BayCare Medical Center's diabetic education classes.
I'm very glad I did. It was very helpful. I learned a lot. I think that's what got it under control so quickly for me.
Each class meets 5 times.
Half the class is taught by the nursing staff, the other half is taught by the dietitian.
Diabetes educator and dietitian Deb Rubicki makes sure patients know how to read labels and count carbs.
We teach them how to eat, what to eat, and the amounts to eat, looking at exercise, reading food labels, and adjusting their meal plan that fits into their lifestyle.
Nurses teach why it's important to take charge of your health.
Monitoring their blood sugars, some of the side effects that could happen from uncontrolled blood sugars. It looks at mood and stressors and taking good care of yourself, looking at your feet.
Because if you don't properly manage your diabetes,
the risk factors are for some eye disease, kidney disease, they're more prone to having some heart disease, vascular disease.
Susie now counts her carbs and watches what she eats to make sure she has a healthier future.
The more I keep it under control, the less damage there'll be, the longer I have of having a more quality life and being healthy, and made me all aware of this because of the education.
Besides the diabetes education classes, they also offer independent one-on-one meetings and appointments. To learn more, you can call Aurora BayCare or email healthwatch@aurorabaycare.com. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Shelley Botat, Local 5 News.